Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the GPU crash dump error code for Oblivion Remastered, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam. From Steam, right click on Elder Scrolls Oblivion, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. Now from Installed Files, go ahead and select the bottom option, Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now what this will do, it will fix like any corrupt files that might have occurred. And once that's done, you can go ahead and X out and start up Oblivion. That should fix the error code. The second method you guys can try doing is going over to the search bar, typing in Device Manager in the search bar. Once the Device Manager is open, you can go ahead and click on Display Adapters. Then right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver. Now from Update Driver, you can go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers, and this will also fix the issue. Another way to update your drivers is from going over to the GeForce Experience app if you are on NVIDIA, going over to drivers and then hitting check for updates. If you have an update, install it, and if you don't, it will be a check bar, or it will be a check and it will say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now I recommend once you update and install your drivers, I highly recommend restarting your PC as well. And once you're done with all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.